Hey, love, you look so tired. Let me take care of that. I have a spa set up ready. I've dimmed the lights and set the soft music. Do you want a scented candle? I have lavender and chamomile. I'll light it up for you. Now, let's get you into a bathrobe. Here it is. Soft cotton and just right. I'm going to boil some water for tea. I'll add a hint of honey and lemon. The water is steaming now. The scent will fill the room. I'll pour it into a delicate cup. It's ready for you to sip. Drink slowly, let the warmth spread. Now, the bath will be next. I've already filled the tub with warm water. Add some eucalyptus bath salts for a fresh feel. Sit in there, relax. Close your eyes, breathe in the steam. Your shoulders feel lighter already. I'm ready to help you unwind further. Let's do a light massage. I'll use some massage oil, a gentle touch. Feel the tension melt away. You deserve all this care. It's raining outside now. I see the drops. The sound is so soothing, isn't it? Let me bring you a blanket. We can cuddle while the storm rages. Wrap yourself in this cozy comfort. I'll lay beside you now. Feel my heartbeat against yours. I dimmed the lamp to a gentle glow. The storm's growing louder, don't worry. I'm right here, holding you. Let's talk about your day. I heard you. Let's forget about work for now. Tell me a happy memory. I remember how the sun set behind the mountains. That's a beautiful image, just like you. I'm going to pour more tea. Let's sip slowly. Close your eyes. Imagine a calm lake. Feel the rain patter like gentle drums. I'll press my forehead to yours. The storm is now a steady lullaby. We can watch the clouds roll by. I'll keep you warm with my jacket. You're my priority tonight. I'll read a gentle story for you. Imagine a quiet meadow, dew on grass. You're breathing slowly, heartbeats sync. Feel my hand steady your pulse. I'll whisper about the stars above. The night sky is full of fireflies. You're a shining star to me. It's getting late. Let's settle in. Lay back. Let the blanket hug you. I'll tuck the pillow under your head. I'll keep my hand over your chest. Close your eyes. Feel my pulse. The storm outside is like a lullaby. You're drifting. I'll stay here. When you wake, I'll be right here. Good night, love.